Hi. Why do people set world records? That's right, so that no one can repeat them. After all, being the author of an eternal unforgettable record is not only prestigious, but also honorable. Today I will show you the unique Guinness World Records that no one has been able to repeat yet. Let's go!
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
In February 2016, a group of British extreme athletes set a mind-blowing achievement, which eventually got into the Guinness Book of Records. 6 adult males within 60 seconds they were a pyramid lying on nails. Due to proper breathing and even distribution of the pressure of sharp nails, they managed to resist. However, a hammer blow followed, which the world record holders withstood and forever entered the history of the achievements of the Guinness Book of Records. In a good way, a crazy Englishman in March 2017, on the live broadcast of a British TV show, managed to break 12 ice blocks with his head, the thickness of which was exactly 10 centimeters. To achieve this record it took him only one attempt, or rather one race, as a result of which a strange record was set. The technology of making samurai sword has been passed down from generation to generation for several centuries, and various legends have been compassed about its sharpness. The very fact that a katana is capable of cutting a person in half will not allow you to doubt its cutting abilities. Martial arts master from India has set a world record. For this achievement he had 2 within 1 minute to resist this cold weapon. The slightest loss of concentration, and the person will be cut into 2 equal parts. Due to the complexity and danger of execution, this record has not yet been broken and is unlikely to be broken in the near future. If you carelessly handle a piece of paper, you can cut yourself painfully, but that's not all. In one of the Chinese television programs, an origami lover managed to hit 12 watermelons with paper airplanes, and not just to get into them, but to stick the airplane directly into the durable peel. A truly unique record. Running away, I'll jump off a cliff, or rather move out. It was with such screams that Jamie performed the deadly trick. He skied into a snowdrift from a steep mountain ridge and remained unharmed. Controlling his body and the airflow, Jamie successfully landed, despite the impressive height of 76 meters. 64 people jumped out of the plane at the same time, forming a figure stunning in its beauty and size in the air, after which they successfully landed on the ground. The difficulty of this trick was that with such a large number of participants, carefully coordinate their actions impossible. However, everything went smoothly, and the world record itself was read out and set. Catching harpoons underwater is a very dangerous activity, of course, unless you are an Austrian who recently set a world record. Having caught 14 razor-sharp harpoons in a pool of water, the daredevil was awarded a place in the Guinness Book of Records. Of course, it's unlikely that anyone will be able to repeat this record. As a child, everyone admired Spider-Man and his ability to climb walls. In the modern world, there are many people who have this skill, and they are called parkourists. During the TV program Show of Records, 2 brave superheroes of our time decided to find out which of them is cooler. The goal is to run along a vertical wall and do a backflip through a special growth bar. As a result, a height of 3 meters 70 centimeters was conquered, and a long-awaited certificate was received, which became a pleasant addition to the overall picture. Mike Horton set a real crazy record, 18 panels of high-strength glass and 18 rugby-style strikes, and only 1 minute separated the American from his cherished dream to get into the Guinness Book of Records. As a result, Michael prematurely smashed all the glass panels to smithereens, after which he received the coveted and long-awaited certificate. Hardly anyone in their right mind would dare to jump from a height of 7 kilometers without a parachute. However, the American stuntman Luke Dickens decided on a similar trick and made a free jump from a height equal to 76.20 meters. The whole of America was watching the jump, there was a live broadcast, and a group of professional rescuers was on duty below and in the air. After landing in a specially installed grid, Luke did not need the help of outsiders, he got out himself and received a certificate of the Guinness Book of Records record holder. Most people think that all stories about mermaids are fairy tales, but they really exist. Ariana Luitza and Logan Helverson may not have real tails, but these girls can do things that no one can repeat. They managed to prove it in Las Vegas when they set 2 world records at once. The first mermaid gave out 48 rings underwater, and the second one spun around its axis 32 times in a minute. Amazing, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave likes, write comments and subscribe to the channel. It's not difficult for you, but it's very pleasant for me. See you soon. Peace.